PT with Malcolm. Welcome to my episode. In today's class, we will be covering the correct approach and the strategies to solve reading fill in the blanks effectively. These blanks are an integral part of the PT reading test, and popularly they are known as drag and drop blanks. This question which you see on your screen is a snapshot from our website, which is called mockmaster.ai. We also have an app by the same name, Mockmaster. You can install the app and practice real test questions. Let's go to the question now. The correct approach is, firstly, in each sentence, you need to understand which is the main keyword. Plus, we also need to understand whether that sentence is talking about something positive or negative. And along the way, obviously, we can effectively use the rules of grammar and collocations. Let's start. Strong leadership is dash for the success of any business. Now, what is the hint here is the word after the blank for. Plus, this is about strong leadership, which means it is something positive. Because leadership is positive, strong is also generally a positive word. Generally, not always. Now, with the word for, we need to choose the correct collocation. And the best option is the second option. You can also solve with me. Each blank is worth 1 point. For the right answer, you get 1. For the wrong answer, you get 0. Even if you don't know the answer, always try your luck. Always guess something. So the first answer should be essential for. That is a preposition-based collocation. Essential is followed by the word for. Let's continue. Effective leaders inspire their teams by dash clear goals. Now, I'll tell you another very important rule of grammar. Please note it down. Whenever you have a word like in, on, of, for, by, such words, if they are followed by a blank, and if it is a verb means an action, it is generally going to be a verb in the ing form. That is called the continuous form of the verb. How many options do we have now? Let's see. One is the word setting and the other is the word preventing. Now, how is this sentence? Positive or negative? It's about effective leaders, which is effectiveness is something positive, and inspiration is also something positive. Preventing is negative. So the correct answer should be setting, by setting clear goals and fostering a positive work environment. There's another rule. You can see the word and fostering. Now, after and, the verb is fostering ing. So again, in the same sentence, if there is a verb before and, it should also be in the ing form. Let's continue. Poor leadership on the other hand. Now, poor leadership means negative, and obviously on the other hand also means negative, can lead to dash morale and decreased productivity. Now, I just taught you the rule. How is the sentence? Positive or negative? Negative. After and, which is the adjective, it is decreased productivity. So decreased ends with ed, but it is not a verb. It is an adjective. An adjective is a word which describes a noun. Which is the noun? Productivity. How is the productivity? Decreased. So similarly, before morale, ideally we'll have an adjective which ends with ed. There's a very high chance. How many words end with ed? Probably only one. And which word is that? Reduced. Is it positive or negative? It's negative. Does it end with ed? Ends with ed. That is the correct answer. Reduced morale. Morale means confidence, like self-confidence. Now the last sentence. To ensure sustainable growth, organizations must focus on dash leadership training. Again, I taught you the rule. Prepositions. What are prepositions? In, on, of, for, by. After on, if we have a blank which is a verb, how should it end? Verb plus ing form. How many options remaining? Just one. Which is that? Preventing. And that is the correct answer. Focus on preventing leadership training and development programs. So, preventing actually doesn't sound that much correct, but still, that is the only option left, So basically ending with ing. So I think we have to go with that option. To ensure sustainable growth, organizations must focus on preventing leadership training. Sorry, my bad. We have one more option also. I couldn't see it in the options, but that option is the word promoting. And that is the positive word. That's why I got confused, Maybe the fonts are small. But yes, the correct answer should be positive and ending with ing. So the correct answer should be promoting. Promoting should be the correct answer. My bad. So friends, that is the correct approach to solve reading blanks effectively. If you like the video, make sure you follow us and share it with your friends. Somebody else can also benefit. If you need classes for PT, IELTS, NATI or language cert, which is the latest test added by Australia for immigration purposes and student visa purposes and for your work visa, TR485 visa, you can always contact us. Our website is oneaustraliagroup.com and you can also find our contact numbers below. We are running a massive sale this weekend, only 3 days, 26th, 27th and 28th September, the long weekend. If you are interested, kindly contact us on the given number and we will help you get your desired score in your first attempt. I'm Malcolm. Good luck.